Hello everyone. Today we're gonna look at how to use the free sewing tool MN to attach all the panels of the skirt to the waistband, and also how to attach a pleated panel onto the front skirt. So we're gonna select the free sewing tool here, and we're gonna start sewing the waistband and also the pleats later. So we select the tool and we go all along the seam of the waistband. Then click enter when you finish and start again from the individual panels. You just click and click again to finish. You go across all the seams, click and click. Then when you reach the last point, you click, you press enter. It's important pressing enter so it finalizes all the seams as shown here when they turn in different colors and the yellow line disappear. Now we're just gonna unfreeze the waistband, and you can see that it sewn it together with all the panels. Now we're gonna go onto this pleated panel, and with the free sewing tool we're gonna start sewing the pleats. It's important to start from the center and then start from the center again, repeating go over the same seam. So then it's gonna give you the blue dot where to finish. Now the seams, the pleats have been sewn together. We're gonna attach the panel onto the skirt. So we start from sewing it on the front. We're gonna skip the pleat. We're actually gonna start from there because it's shorter, so it's gonna give us the measurement with the blue dot where to arrive here. Then we're gonna sew this centimeter here, right after the dart here, and then we just finish off the last piece. That's it. Now we can go unfreeze the panel, and we can simulate. This panel now is the computer is gonna be a bit slow because it's set on particle distance 5. So it's gonna take a little while. Then if you actually don't want the pieces to get stuck together, we can set this as a different layer, which is layer 1 here in property editor. So we're just gonna select the piece with the A tool that we want, and we're gonna change the layer to layer 1. Press OK, so it's gonna highlight in green. So the computer knows that this we want it on the top as top layer, so it's not gonna get stuck with the skirt underneath. Then just remember to change it back to 0. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next videos.